Real-time dispatching and scheduling system. The intelligent AI platform. At the heart of supply chain planning. When a customer places an order, it triggers a series of actions, checking delivery dates, evaluating capacity, and scheduling production. But in real life, production teams often face unexpected changes, machine breakdowns, urgent orders, or supply delays. That's where RT-APS comes in. It helps planners build realistic, real-time schedules based on actual machine conditions and shop floor data. More importantly, it quickly reacts to changes with dynamic rescheduling and dispatching. This ensures better delivery performance, fewer delays, and smoother coordination across production. Now, let's look at the 3 everyday challenges that production planners constantly struggle with. Rapid delivery date coordination, complex scheduling constraints, and frequent real-time rescheduling on the shop floor. Let's start with rapid delivery date coordination. In manufacturing, sales teams often get asked about order status, delivery dates, or shipping updates. Since it involves scheduling, production, and QC, it's hard to give quick answers without real-time info. This can cause delays and miscommunication, hurting customer trust and satisfaction. Mike called Julia to follow up on the delivery date. Julia had already been overwhelmed with inquiries from multiple sales reps and was completely worn out. During there's lots of situations in shop floor. 2 days later, she finally got back to Mike. The sales rep finally got back to the customer. But another urgent order request just came in. The never-ending cycle between customers, sales, and production planning continues. With RT-APS, both planners and sales can quickly check delivery dates. First, select the work orders to be scheduled. On the left panel, you'll see real-time progress, 1,000 orders across 96 processes on 97 machines completed scheduling in just 6 minutes. You can see how fast the RT-APS finishes the production plan under complex constraints in a short time. Then, check the results. Green means on time, red means delayed. You'll also see each order's planned start and finish times. Let's start with complex scheduling constraints. Planners don't just schedule by machines and processes, they also need to meet customer requests, like using specific machines or avoiding certain ones. That makes scheduling a lot more complex. With this platform, constraints are easy to set up, and the system can smartly assign and reschedule for the best fit. In the example shown, normally, process PT003 can use either machine C4202 or C4203. But based on customer 002's request, we set a rule that for route_0002, PT003 must run on C4202 only. Now, in the scheduling preview, we can see the system followed exactly what we just configured. Let's start with frequent real-time rescheduling on the shop floor. On the shop floor, unexpected issues often happen, like machine breakdowns, urgent orders, or rework. These disruptions throw off the original schedule and force planners to reschedule everything manually. Without real-time updates, they have to go back and forth with different teams, wasting time and lowering overall efficiency. Example, here comes an urgent order, order_0003, suddenly inserted by the customer. After receiving the urgent order, we go to the work order settings and mark order_0003 as a rush job. On RT-APS's scheduling board, you'll see it automatically marked as SHR and moved up with priority. After about 2 minutes, the updated schedule is displayed. This kind of last-minute change makes it hard to manage the production schedule smoothly. But with RT-APS, handling it becomes easy. Example for urgent order to machine. When a customer suddenly changes the assigned machine, or when on-site issues require a switch, RT-APS's visual scheduling makes it easy. In this demo, we reassign process PT003 of order_0022 from machine C4203 to C4202. After about 1 minute and 50 seconds, the system completes rescheduling and shows the updated result. PT003 now moved to C4202. Example for machine breakdown. Machine Q008 had multiple jobs. After it broke down, RT-APS quickly rescheduled upon receiving the alert either manually or automatically. Now Q008 is cleared, and order_0032 has been moved to Q009. Example for rework. Order_0010 reached step 6 RO001, but due to a quality issue, it had to return to step 4 GL002 for rework. After setting the rework route, GL002 resets to not started, and production continues from there. From this brief introduction video, we can see that RT-APS is an intelligent AI platform at the core of supply chain planning, designed for agility in today's fast-changing production environment. Feel free to contact us to see how it can power your operations.